Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks or hedge funds will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation today. I want you guys to see how Coinbase, COIN, pops up with an over 400% increase in institutional bullish volume, makes a monstrous near 30% move. Now, what our AI is detecting is that typically only about $880 million worth of Coinbase stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a 7-day average. Today alone, it was nearly $4 billion. So if there's billions of extra bullish pressure from people who affect the market most, no wonder it's making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to that information early. Let's go ahead and take a look and see when our lightning fast algorithms and machine learning technology was able to identify 1.51 times the average amount of bullish volume in Coinbase at 11:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, here's the difference between the way retail receives their information and institutions receive their information. 11:57 is right over here when the stock is still at about $92. It's approaching almost 110 right now. The way that retail investors get their data commonly is through news sources, data feeds like Twitter, different things like that. You guys can see right here, this was published at 2:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, talking about how Coinbase stock is rocketing because of the Ripple ruling with the SEC. Now, 2:44 is all the way over here, after the stock has already made a majority of the move. So get access to the information down here instead of hearing about it after it's already moved too much. Let me show you the difference. If we go to our options chain, let's take a look at Coinbase. You can see an entire list of triple, quadruple, even quintuple digit returns actually. Let's say, for example, you had done the $110 call option. We're going to take a look at the 5-minute chart. All the way down here, this is between 11:55 and 12. So this is when the lightning fast AI and algorithms pick up on this private exchange volume from institutions. Near to 3 p.m. over here is after it's already made most of its movement. Good luck trying to get in here as it's skyrocketing. It's a massive difference. Let's take a look at if you had gotten in when the AI was detecting it at its maximum. That's almost an 1,100% increase. And look at how much longer you have to react to it as a result. If you were talking about getting in way later on, maybe it's 128% if you instantaneously make the transaction. So get access to the data down here instead of chasing it over here once it's already moved. And it wasn't just Coinbase. There were many other opportunities. We don't have time to go through a ton more, so let's go ahead and go through maybe one or two extras. Not only does our AI pick up on the opportunities, we also send out alerts to our users, so that way for people who are busy, maybe they're new to trading, maybe they're working constantly, they can get an easy, actionable trade based off of the dark pool volume and the private exchange volume. Here's an example of one that we sent out today. So Qualcomm, QCOM, pops up with a huge signal of bullish pressure. So you could have either made the trade on your own using TradeAlgo.com and our services, or you could have gotten the alert sent directly to you. Qualcomm, $122 call, expiring July the 14th at 52 cents price of entry. Everything you need is right there to make a smart, actionable trade based on what smart money's doing. Let's go to Qualcomm. Let's go to the $122 call. And we know that our entry price was 52 cents. At its maximum, that's an over 200% return. However, it's not about squeezing every single last percentage out, right? We want to make sure that we are being successful and taking profits. So we took some profits off and let people know when it was up 75%, a little bit when it was up 101% at a triple digit return, and then letting people know it's up 150% plus if you're holding. So now might be a nice time to exit. So instead of getting 216%, even if you got 75%, 100% out of it, that's the whole purpose and the whole point. Get the data down here, make actionable trades with our users and with our AI instead of hearing about it after it's moved. One last trade alert example that we want to go through is from the triple Qs. We sent out this alert as well. QQQ 378, call position, 34 cents per contract. Massive signal of institutional bullish volume in the Qs today. Let's look at the 378 call. And you guys can see 34 cents per contract. We ended up exiting right there at about a 105% return. At its maximum, it is about a 463% increase. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Start seeing the full market and come get access to TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.